Cheers, everybody. Wanted to do a rundown of my RIMS system and everything and break it down for everybody. This will be the last video that I do. First thing I'm going to talk about is the heart of the system, which is the PID. This is an Inkbird IPB-16. It's 15 amp, 120 volts, 1650 watts. They're about $90. Pretty basic. On, off. I did have buy this from Brew Hardware, and Bobby installed the switch, which the switch will take this alarm plug, which is useless, and it'll convert it to an on-off switch so I can run my brew pump. The output is for your heating element, and then the probe is obviously going to be for your thermocouple, and it has a 15 amp fuse. As far as the RIMS tube, basically what it does is you pump wort, and this particular tube is a ball lock, and it's going to pump wort in and out, and this thermocouple that's hanging down here is going to pick up the temperature of your wort exiting going to your mash. Now, pretty simple how they come apart. That's your thermocouple and your O-ring seal. Other part of it is going to be your heating element. This particular heating element is this one is 12 inches long for the 18-inch tube, and this is a ultra low watt density stainless steel heating element. It's 1500 watts, and I believe it's 52 watts per square inch on this particular one. All stainless steel for sanitary reasons. It comes clean really easy. Super cool. Works really good. Also, I wanted to show this. If you're using a RIMS tube, it's very important to see your wort as you're recirculating. And the reason why is for scorching. Any kind of grain husks that are going through, it could be scorching through your heating element, but this will tell you exactly how clear your wort is and how good it's going to look going into your brew kettle. But that's pretty much it on the RIMS tube. One other thing I wanted to, and the reason I opted for this is how clean and smooth it is. You see people that build these out of stainless steel pipe, threaded pipe, which is fine, but there's a lot of nooks and crannies for nasty stuff to get in and hide. I'm going to do a video on cleaning the whole system with PBW. This will be the last one that I do on the RIMS tube. If you have any questions or anything, suggestions, give me some comments down below. Appreciate it, and happy brewing.